In 2010 is when it really came to my mind to really start this organization. So No More Secrets, Mind, Body, Spirit Incorporated is actually a comprehensive sexuality awareness organization. We decrease health disparities in marginalized communities by providing access to resources, education, and safety. I was just saying this deficit within especially marginalized communities and communities of color, that they were not having the same conversations, that they were not introduced to the same resources or education. Coming from a religious background as a Black woman in America, I just wanted to integrate it with the society and the communities that I was used to dealing with. So I founded it in 2012 and incorporated it in 2015. And in February of 2020, we just opened up the Spot Period, which is the nation's first menstrual hub through a crowdfunding initiative. So one young person just told me straight, she just said, Miss Lynette, how do you expect me to respect my body and have autonomy of my body when once a week I have to do whatever I can to get menstrual products? I found that there were no resources they can give free monthly supplies. So at that time, we created a bank in our office. We were asking for products and supplies, and we just started getting them. And then it grew to delivery because many of the people were calling saying, we can't get to you. We were going into the communities, giving a 3 to 5 month supply to everyone in the household, in addition to driving them around for waste management, toilets, running water, Wi-Fi, computer access, everything that vulnerable populations needed to survive. I think my greatest success is growing through my own pain to be able to help others. I lived in period poverty, but it wasn't a name back then. So I think my greatest gift is to be able to create a safe space for our most vulnerable populations and be there to give them the resources that they need without judgment.